Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. And today I got the new sneakers here. This is a new color of Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfur, ready to ship, all size available. So if you want to copy this one, please check on my web link beyondshop.ru. And now let me show the details of this one so you can check the whole pair. So check out the side and the front, inner side and the back side, so you can look the whole pair with same color on the whole upper, so you can check. And about the material on the upper is the blended, and you can check the pattern below the strap, so with different kind of pattern there. And about the midsole also is the same color, the plastic strap, and above the strap, so check out the pattern there. And also for the shoelace is the same color as well. And about the front, you can check out this kind of stitching go through the shoe arm. And the inner side also got the same color with different kind of pattern. And about the midsole also is the same. And about the back side, the pull tab also with the same color. For the stitching on the back side also is same as the front. And the back side, this part is the gun-sole, then to the whole bottom is the gun-sole. And this part got the yellow color and got the white boost. This is the BASF boost. And the boost window on the top is got Adidas. And check out the inside, you can build the shoe part is the dark gray, got Adidas and the Yeezy leather. The back side got the stripes is the 3M. And the back side of the shoe arm, so got both side got black thread, and the middle got one strap go through the whole the back side. And about this one got two hand tag, and also got this plastic one, circle one, picket guard. Okay, so this is the new colorway of Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfur. If you want to pick up this one, please check out on my web link beyondshop.ru. Any more questions, please contact with my contact way. Thanks for watching. See you next time.